How to enable or disable call alerts vibrate when call ends on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, open up the phone application. Then tap on the more button at the top here. And from the pop-up, tap on settings. Next, in call settings, we scroll down. Then tap on call alerts and ringtone. In here, tap on vibrate when call ends. Tap on the toggle button to turn on this feature or to switch it off. And that's it. When you turn it on and when you and when you are making a call and when you are ending the calls, your phone will gently give you haptic feedback to indicate that the call has been successfully ended. And that's it. After that, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.